easy ripe banana fritters. Wagwan me YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So today we are making some very easy, super easy guys, banana fritters. I love them. I don't know about uno, but banana fritters are so sweet and delicious. So today we have 3 overripe bananas. They have been sitting on the countertop for quite some time, and I decided that okay, just make some banana fritters guys. I didn't know what I wanted to make for breakfast, so I went ahead and I use them to make some banana fritters. So we're going to peel them, then we're going to add them to the bowl and crush them. Afterwards, I'm going to utilize this potato crusher to crush the bananas so they can get nice and smooth. Add some of that delicious flavor to the banana fritters. I'm going to go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla. You could also add the cinnamon powder and so forth, but I'm not going to add these. I'm also going to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of sugar, because remember the bananas are sweet, so you don't want to mask that flavor from the banana fritters with the sugar. So you just minimize the usage of the sugar into the banana. To the mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add some flour. This is 1 cup, and I went ahead and had about half more cups of flour. But depend on your family size, you can increase the amount of flour that you add as well as the amount of bananas. So I'm also going to add some water so that we can fully combine the flour together with the banana mixtures to get everything fully combined and blended. Next, I'm going to add some cooking oil. Allow the oil to get hot. Then I'm going to drop a few of the banana fritters in a dochi pot, because some things I just love for cooking in a dochi pot. Afterwards, you're just going to allow the fritters to fry until golden brown on both sides. Me love when I want them very dark brown. Afterwards, you're going to transfer from the frying pan onto paper towel. Allow them to, soak up that oil onto the paper towel. And this is how they're looking, very nice and delicious. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up for the video. Comment down below and let us know if you enjoy the videos and what other recipes you'd like us to make. This is a very easy breakfast idea. I went ahead and added some hot and spicy sausage with it, as well as some fried egg, right? So it just had to go and soak up the oil from the egg and the sausage. This is very easy, guys. Check out more of our videos. Check these out.